Hello there everyone, welcome to VanChat, where I talk about van related things and just about anything that happens to come along the way. There we go. And well, hello there. And how are you doing today? Can you hear that? It's kind of like this sort of, the term I heard was like white noise, and it is a bit of white noise, and it's on really high right now, so it's usually a little quieter than that. And that's the diesel heater, and it's the Silver Duck, and I think that name is gonna stick with it for a while. Somebody had suggested another name, the Silver Snake, which is kind of pretty cool. If you get a chance, check out a YouTuber called Got Mountains. Some pretty cool stuff happening there. An amazing bed build. I almost hurt myself saying that, but I thought it was fantastic. And I know for myself, if I was able to do it, I'd probably go for that bed build because it created a lot of storage at the bottom. But if you get a chance, have a look at that YouTuber. And I think I mentioned it before, or maybe I haven't posted the video, I can't remember, but there's another fellow named Foresty Forest and Chrome and Cruz at Van City VanLife. So those are the guys that I'm sort of checking out, looking at their videos. I am a new YouTuber. I'm less than, when I post this video, I think I'm going to be less than 2 months in. It's pretty late in the day for me right now, and just feeling a bit tired. And I think and this was a very long day for me, and I had a lot of things I had to get done. And work is work. Work was okay, and I didn't mind it as much. But it's one of those things where when you work full time, after a while it can kind of grind down on you. And I thought to myself, what are certain things that people do that I do so that it doesn't destroy you? Because face it, working 9 to 5 for maybe a year is sort of okay. Working 10 years might start to wear you down a bit. Anything more than that, I can't imagine people being too happy unless you do certain things, unless you sort of look at it a particular way. And that's what I try to attempt to express here. And some things that I've done for myself that's helped me out a lot. And let me know what you think. And I said it before in every video, is if you like this video, like it, upvote it, and if you're interested in the information, that was one of my alarms, by the way. If you're interested in the information I'm giving, subscribe, because you'll get some notifications. Now the camera here just turned on my alarm. I'm filming this with a cell phone, by the way. So we were talking about being able to last through work, and I think one thing that has helped me with just about anything, is if you can develop a way in your mind, if you can develop a way in your circumstances, or even the way you move, the way you speak, the way you just do something, if you can turn the mundane into marvelous, then you'll never get bored. So it takes a bit of work, but whatever it might be, do it with such a vigor, if I can use that expression. Like, do it so that you really get into it. Figure out a way to get into something, so so that you might even enjoy it. Like, there are some things that I've done before that I really didn't think I would really like doing, but I found out, hey, you know what? I think I kind of like this. Or, hey, I tried this particular type of work and recognized I think I could do this. Or, hey, I find this extremely interesting. And so I think that's one thing to sort of pass the time, or one thing to sort of, so you're not bored or dissatisfied with what you're doing. Figure out a way to turn the mundane into marvelous, and whatever that may be, whatever that would translate to you. And if you could do that, I think you do pretty good. The other thing that you can also do is develop some gratitude. On a daily basis, I like to have just some moments, usually with my coffee, of gratefulness meditation, gratitude meditation, whatever you want to call it. If you don't know how to meditate, just think about it. If you know how to worry, then you know how to meditate. Just sort of change the subject. And that's something I've heard that before, and I think it's true. So meditation is something where you're thinking about it deeply, and you're sort of letting it sort of influence you at that time. And gratitude, daily gratitude meditation about what you have. It could be your health. It could be a wonderful partner. It could be something that you could do. Maybe something that you can do to help other people. Whatever that may be, there's always something we could be grateful for. And I know everyone's situation is different. I mean, out there, I mean, we live in I believe, an incredibly privileged part of the world. It's an incredible. It's just wonderful that we have all these opportunities. And I know some days it's very, very difficult, especially if things just aren't going right. It's just that kind of planet, you know, as the expression goes. So having a bit of gratitude and thinking about it a bit more on a daily basis, I figure, you know, make a list, you know, top 10 list, why I'm happy about certain things. This is sort of, I don't even know if this goes under the form of cognitive-based therapy. I don't think it is, because I'm no psychologist. This is just stuff that I've kind of learned along the way. But that's the kind of stuff that I've been doing, you know, for myself, and I've been doing that for decades, and it's helped me a lot. Being able to see a situation and understand, you know, what's actually happening. What's, you know, how am I looking at the situation? You know, that expression, turning obstacles into opportunities. You know, is it really a problem? You know, is it, or is this something where you could try to solve, and in the process sort of shine amongst your peers or your boss, or even for yourself, or whatever that might be. And to me, that's important. I think you can build on that as a person, and you can build up your confidence and self-esteem. So yeah, so those are the things that's kind of whirling through my mind this morning. I thought to myself, you know, winter's coming, and it is definitely getting colder. It's one extra step I have to engage in on a daily basis. It's something that everybody has to engage in, and I know at some point there's going to be a big winter storm, and hopefully we can turn it into something pretty cool. Maybe help some people out as well. But aside from that, pretty interesting week so far for me. Hey, my YouTube is growing. Yay! I broke the 120 subscriber mark earlier this week. I was really happy about that. And you know, my goal is for about 1,000 subscribers, because apparently that's going to make things a lot better for me. There's a possibility that good things could happen. Again, you know, no expectation. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, you know, no big deal. I'm not banking on a lot, but what I am banking on is that, you know, when I do these videos, that somehow you're getting even just a tiny bit of goodness from it, whatever that may be. And maybe at some point, maybe you could share your goodness too. Maybe you could start up a YouTube channel. I don't think it's that difficult. You literally just need a camera, and make sure you have one of these, you know, selfie sticks, so you don't do this. That was a breakthrough here moment. That was a big announcement the other day, and it's really been helpful. However, when I'm doing sort of like these little tours that I have, you'll still get the shaky camera, so those good times will still roll. But yeah, I hope you like some of my videos, and hopefully I can give you a bit of value in that way. And once again, you know what's going to happen. Have I cued the music yet? Yes, I have. Cue that music, and please like and subscribe. Please help me grow my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. And also, you can also email me. I don't always check it, but I do check it, you know, once or twice a week, because I do work full time, and after work I'm like pretty much I'm offline at that point. There are times when I do go back online, but anyway, yeah. I'm gonna get some coffee going, maybe sip it, relax, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week, fantastic month. We're heading into January next month, and it's December, so we'll see what we can bring to 2021. Yeah, I'll turn this off now.